Mastering the art of article usage in English conversation. Hello everyone and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to tackle a very important aspect of the English language, articles. Articles may seem tiny, but they play a crucial role in our conversations, making our speech sound more fluent and natural. So, let's dive right into it. First, let's brush up on what articles are. In English, we have three articles: a, an, and the. These are a type of adjective because they give us information about the nouns they precede. Remember, a and an are indefinite articles used when referring to something for the first time or when it's not specific. The, on the other hand, is a definite article used when it's clear what the item is. Now, let's see how to use articles in everyday conversation. Consider this sentence. A cat is on the mat. We use a when we first mention the cat. We're not referring to a specific cat, so it's any cat. However, once we've established which cat we're talking about, we then use the to refer to it. It's also essential to discuss common mistakes that learners often make with article usage. Remember, we don't use articles with plural or uncountable nouns when we mean all or any of them. For instance, we say, children love ice cream, instead of, the children love the ice cream, unless we're talking about specific children or a specific ice cream. Let's put these principles to work with some exercises. I'll say a sentence, and you'll identify the correct usage of the articles. 1. I saw ____eagle at _____ park. The correct response would be, I saw an eagle at the park. 2. Can I have _____ apple? The correct response is, can I have an apple? 3. ____ sun is shining brightly today. The correct response is, the sun is shining brightly today. And that wraps up our session on articles as adjectives in English conversation. Remember, practice is key when mastering articles, so don't be disheartened if it doesn't click right away. Keep practicing, and soon, it will become second nature. Until our next video, keep learning and happy practicing.